Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, on today's recipe I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious and mouth-watering chicken so you can enjoy in the comfort zone of your house. And also do check out the description box so you can get the link of this delicious salad you can see over there. So guys, let's get started. I will start by using my kitchen towel paper to dab the chicken, and these are all the spices I'm going to be using. The list of them are on the description box to check it out, and the measurement. So I will transfer my clean chicken inside my bowl, and I will start by putting in all my spices and herbs in the chicken. I will thoroughly use my hand to mix the spices with the chicken. All the list and the measurement of the spices I'm using are on the description box. Please do check it out so you can access them easily anytime you want to make yours. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of paprika, and I'm also going to add a good amount of chili flakes, and I will mix thoroughly so it will absorb the chicken will absorb the seasoning. And as you can see, I did use my knife to give the chicken some nice cuts so all these spices can penetrate and marinate properly inside the chicken. So right now I will just cover it and transfer into my fridge to marinate for minimum 1 hour, or you can leave it overnight. So I'm going to transfer my marinated chicken into my oven tray. And I'm going to transfer my chicken into my preheated oven, and I'm going to cook each side of the chicken for 20 minutes on 190 degrees. So the first side is well cooked. I'm going to flip it over and cook the other side for 20 minutes. So 40 minutes later, when the both sides have been cooked, I'm going to be grilling my chicken for 15 minutes to give it that nice and inviting color, and also to make it have that nice and delicious taste. So guys, as you can see, the recipe is very quick, easy peasy and simple, and most importantly very delicious and mouth-watering. I hope you do enjoy this recipe. I hope you do give it a try. Please, if you do, don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe. Click on the bell icon so you will be notified anytime I post interesting and delicious recipes like this. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, as it will be very helpful for this recipe. Thank you very much guys. Till I see you again. Bye bye.